Hindi makita.
Hello! Dito nakikita, hello.
Usad ka naman doon.
Hello! Hello! Daniel, tara Daniel. Ah! Tingin ka dito, tingin. Tingin ka dito, tingin.
Ngayon ka oh.
Tingin ka kasi dito, Daniel. Dito ka tumingin.
Huwag ka magulo, di tayo magkakaroon. Wala tayong magkakaroon ng ano dito.
Hindi ako hindi kita eh.
You will come to the defense of those shooters? Report to the high priest.
Guys,
Strongest. Strongest. Babak ko ah.
Everyone shall shoot out chief.
Panis, account ko yan. Max level yan. Abuda pa yan. Lag na pa yan.
nice one.
May spider pa yan. May spider naman pala dito. Di ba eh? Daan?
Oh, may spider.
May dito ka mo. Ito naman eh. Pagka, then.
Nako, guys. Tulong dito na.
Ako pala di ako naglalaro.
Strong dito na. Live tayo.
Karate yan eh.
Live tayo, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Gusto niyo, add friend nyo na lang ako. Add friend nyo ako.
Sino wala eh. Ganito lang yung password. Ano, domestic 448 up to 11.
Up to 12.
Up to 12 pala.
Huwag kayo maniwala dyan. Pag yan.
Akin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Add nyo po to, re-retire 81, 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3. Hanggang Aktilan ba siya?
Ha?
Aktilan. Aktilan namin. Ako to, sa password. Hindi, di ba doon? Tari. Tapos yung number.
Give you money just like that.
Hindi, number mo.
And you got that money is not something.
Ayun lang. Ang domestic password.
Ayun, ayun. Yun.
No, we don't. Sorry. Sounds like you're looking.
Ha?
Well,
Asan?
concerned about us.
Tama na.
Let's go.
Yan pala.
My friend, namiss kita.
No more debt.
Nagira. Sino mo nga kumain kung tayo hindi tumira. So, ayun o, ma. Yan.
Hindi mo pala yan.
Ah, tama, pinapakita.
Guys, kung gusto nyo ma-add.
Ano yan? Strongest? Karera?
Ay, ay. Magsama yan. Walang ulit dito ah.
Di ba pero sakit? Di ba?
Try that over.
Grabe naman to, bully.
You okay?
Sabi mo?
Just a minute.
Chicken, banana. Ay, makita ang papa.
That's because you are just clever.
Sabi.
Oh, ilan kami lang ba?
It's life is so powerful. Wish I could feel like what amazing. Oh yeah.
Ay, nabukla yun. Nakasakay doon. Nakalimutan eh.
I'm prepared, Leon. Please enjoy them. Mister, I see a dark twist on your forehead.
Kanan. Paunahan tayo. Paunahan tayo.
You need this car. Your foot doesn't look very good. The person you are looking for may not be the one you need to find. This car will help. Bad choice.
Just like, wow,
Do all these dishes like me?
you're a hairdresser.
Domestic purple egg. Your table.
He said
Table.
spiritual among all the world. It will open your mind.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, masama yan. Pero, ginagamit yung dictate, remote, armchair. Ay, chair pala. Welcome to house. Chair. Let's go. Sa likod ka kasi pangit.
Right this way, my lady. We reserve a table for you. After lunch, we can go pay our respects to Buddha.
You'll pay your respects to whom I say when I say
What would you like to eat?
give me time.
Very well.
Is it really fun?
So, Liz, what are you doing here?
Oh, no.
How touching. You journeyed many miles to find the husband that loved you. Too bad for you, because now he's with me. When he first came to, he was no longer a man. My wealth and charm saved him. It was easy. You have to be the sort of wife who would be harmless.
So, Liz,
Wow.
it's over.
Okay. So, yun guys. Magpo na po kami. Magpo na po kami, guys. Picture o yung chair ko nasan. Aray, grabe naman yun, mga guys. Dito. Ay, yung chair ko. Ay, chair ko, yung chair ko. Yan po nga, kung gusto nyo ko i-add. Yan, pangalan ko, Domestic 448. Alam nyo ko. Itong picture ko, robot. I'm a robot. Sino ba yun? O, ba't may racket ka? Bawal yan. Ba't kayo nandyan? Okay. Ay, daw, magagalit si teacher pag di kayo umupo. Magagalit si teacher pag di kayo umupo. Upo. Uy, mapapagod ako, bago pasok na. Apple dito. Apple the day keeps the doctor away. Yan, open. Bayan ako eh. Ay, racket. Akin yan. Akin yung racket. Akin na yan. Racket. Akin na. Dunk ka. Suka. Ay, masusuka. Lupa na ito eh. Armchair ko yan. Ay, chair ko pala ang chair. Buti nakuha ko din ang chair ko. Yung upuan ko. Nakuha ko rin ang upuan ko. Tampa. Ito. Oh, nasa yung dad food truck. Iuwi na ng ano.
Oh yeah.
Ng food truck.
No, this is the only restaurant in town.
Astig na ito ah. Kumba. Kumba. Extra
Being a
nice
monk
food.
is better than this. Oh, no. Just rely on others for money.
Order natin
We
yung
won't
ice cream.
We won't have to rely on others. We can work in the restaurant. Forget that. You want to waste time serving food? You're so hopeless. Well, I don't believe it's a waste of my time. I'll come in faith to provide some answers. Let's sleep on it.
Governor Lou would never even imagine this. We'd be stolen now. What should I do?
Let it go. Ay, pareho na kami ah. Ay, ba't ganyan. Liko.
Just keep stealing and give it back to the taxpayers.
Ano ba yun? Napakalipat na itong
Sa labas.
Bye.